the chemicals. My love, tie back your hair and prep materials. The materials. One, don't you taste a sniff? You know you should be wafting if you're taking a whiff. Two, don't mix it in until the label's checked again. Three, no food or drink unless you want to have us find you dead in the morning. And if you follow this, you won't mitigate the risk. I got my rules, I count 'em.